Ako bue, obuisi mazi. Odawa. Oda bombe. Aparuwa. Aparubu agu. Agadi wa tize ko go he bunu kono. Osike na ala. Oko sime. Oye te ko abura ga magini. Maka na tinu de la abura aja anu. Ma na sigi nu de le bokwa aja anu. Maka na tinu eru ka heru dele. Atoto ya wongiga. Oru kwala anu ka heru ya wudele. Ke we totu ze ya wongiga. Maka na aja ka kpatara na aja ya. Ke juwe te ya wugere karaka. Oko sime. Okoro ba mo bi ko kene ya. Maka na ka mo pata obodo awara oso. Hawo ke mo pata, o mo mpia mo wa wi si n'oria. Aga kole aribe ya. Aka no rugonu. Afi na agwo torombe. To maro okpokoro ya. Maka na ka mmiri na no n'ite ka eji ja asaru. Akwa mmiri no n'ikpu ka mu ja asaru. Gonna do. It's fun that wishes to swallow that a tree should check the size of his anus.
To the villagers. He's a very nice man. That's the way he gave us all this to give that blind old woman a beggar.
It's not easy. In this hardship, the Igwe is still able to gift the whole villagers. It's really wonderful. At least when I get home, my brother and I can enjoy this. In my next world, Jido would be my king. Same here.
You have to help the people of Ebenator. You must intervene. I know feeding the people of Ebenator won't take anything out of you.
Mazi will be my very good friend. Helping the people of Ebenator is not a problem. But they will not appreciate it. And that is so bad. I can't see myself helping people that will not appreciate me. So I will not help them.
I quite understand your plight. But you don't have to treat them that way. Soon, you will need them. You know what the plan is.
I know. But I do not want to waste my resources on people that do not know my worth. But I've heard what you said. I will think about it.
My king, there's so much hunger in our land. Our children are dying. The animals are dying also. Something needs to be done in this kingdom.
Exactly, my king. He is very correct. Something needs to be done to avoid these deaths that I'm seeing. Listen, my elders, I understand exactly what is going on. I understand the pain my people are passing through. But as the king of Ebenator Kingdom, I am doing my best to make sure that it gets better. To make sure that my people at least eat 3 times every day. I know it will eventually get to that. I am not going to stop until hunger is completely banished from this land.
My king, we appreciate your good work.
Thank you.
You've been doing a lot of work in this kingdom. May the gods of our land be by you.
You see,
People of Ebelato, listen and listen very careful. Ikenga say he wants to gift everyone of Ebelato. You should come to his house. He wants to give everyone of Ebelato. People of Ebelato, Ikenga says he wants to give the people of Ebelato. You all should come to his house tomorrow morning.
did you hear that? This is indeed a new era in our kingdom. If all other young men of this land will continue to work as hard as Ikenga, I am certain that hunger will be banished from this land immediately.
Exactly.
May the gods continue to bless him.
Yes.
And may the gods continue to prosper his labor every year and every year.
In fact, I cannot explain how joyful I am. Cannot.
You see, you need to be doing all these things in the kingdom.
In fact, from what I've witnessed here, shows that you'll be a better king. In fact, you do more than the king. Look at how our people taking their foods, smiling. With a little token you give them, in fact, they appreciate it. What more of a king? In fact, you will do well. I will not have any regret having you as my king.
I must carry you along. Yes. You see, you need to be doing all these things in the kingdom so that when it gets to that time, they will be by your side.
Of course. You understand the politics of this business.
Yes.
And that is why I am standing by you.
Mazobi.
Do not worry yourself. I am solidly behind you.
I know. I know. Mazobi, you must be my own.
Of course. Nothing gladdens the heart than seeing your people smiling.
Yes.
Despite the hardship that is going on. Look at how they were generously taking it and smiling and happy. Yes. When he gets home. Do you know what you have done? You have created history that is more than history.
I know you will always stand by me.
I will. I told you I will forever put a smile on your face because the same thing you are doing for others, I will do too.
That's good. That's so good to hear.
That young man, Ikenga, is indeed very kind. The people that went to his house yesterday to answer his call, they left with joy. Some of them, I gathered, left with 2 bags of yam. Some were given other things, other food items. Even some of them, he gave money. And the people were very excited.
My king, even my wife came back with some 2 bags of yam and other food items. That man called the Kenga. He's a good man.
Exactly what I
He's
said.
a very good man.
Good man.
But Your Highness.
Your Highness.
Show your face! How dare you? How dare you shoot at me? As the Jidofo of a Benato kingdom. Who are you to shoot at me? Who are you? Show your face!
How's you be my very good?
Ikenga no unge.
You're here already.
Ikenga no unge. So tell me, how did the hunting went? Hope the trap caught the grass cutter, as expected.
Maziobi, we were not favored by our chief today. So the grass cutter escaped the trap. But we will not relent. We will keep hunting until we catch the grass cutter.
Oh, yeah, kange kumakanye. You know what? The people of this kingdom love you so much. They love you.
I know, Maziobi. I know. Anyway, sorry for keeping you waiting for so long. But I can see you already doing justice to the power.
Of course, you know me too well. Hey, you know what? Just call one of your ladies, to get us some grass cutter. You know, it's been long. I had one, so that he can go well with this.
You and grass cutter.
Of course.
You and grass cutter.
Hola! Hola!
The great Ikenga. This one you visited me today. I hope I'm safe.
Ezemo, I want you to give me the permission to take good care of you. Your feeding generally. I will be the one to be taking care of it. You are eyes of the gods, and you are meant to live a good life.
Great Ikenga. So from your heart, you wish to take care of the eyes of the gods. From today onward, you shall be fruitful. You shall be stronger than your enemies. You shall be blessed among men. So shall it be.
Ezemo, I will take my leave now. My slaves will bring some food items for you. And they will also be coming from time to time to check when it's finished.
Wonderful. Hey! Ikenga. Hey! Idida baka. Aku idida baka bidiga baka da baka da. Idida baka ta. Your Highness, you don't have any enemy. You were shot by a hunter. He never pointed it towards your direction. Only him and his chick can tell why the bullet shifted to your direction.
Ezemo, I want to thank you. Thank you for coming to give this information. I appreciate. And I am going to get the guards to arrange specific gift items that will live with you for coming to provide information to the king. But I am still wondering, what will prompt a man of my land to point a gun towards the king? Not just pointing a gun, but actually shooting that gun. But it is okay, based on what you said.
Your Highness, may your days of leadership never end, and may you live longer than your father.
God,
Your Highness.
attend to him. A mistaken shot indeed.
Ikenga. Ikenga no unge.
It is great, Ikenga. Please help me.
What is the problem?
I and my little ones have not eaten for some days now. Please, if there's any way you can help us, please. I go to boy, please.
You see, the people of Ebenato Kingdom are so ungrateful. If not for one thing, I will not be helping them. But because of what you said, I will keep helping them. Hola! Hola! Go in there and get me some food items.
You got it. You got it. I can't see it. You got it.
Thank you so much. Now go do this one. Thank you. Thank you so much. Thank you. It's alright. Let me think. Let me go on my way. If not for one thing, I will not be helping these people.
You see, this is why I have been preaching love to you. You are the best king of our time. I have no regret standing by you. And I know you will make a good king, while I will be your prime minister.
Maziobi, my very good friend. I must carry you along.
Of course. What are friends for?
I have been thinking about this incident, and a lot of things are still not joining properly in my head. How can it be said that a hunter of Ebenator mistakenly shot at me here in the palace? This is not the forest of Ebenator where hunters hunt. This is the palace. I've been pondering over this over and over again. And I know that I have not offended anyone. I have not offended anyone in any way.
Exactly what I am saying, my king. Something has to be done. You have to prove to them that you're not a weakling. You need to stand on your feet. My king, Jide Ofo of Ebenator Kingdom.
Speak less, woman. I am still the king. King of Ebenator Kingdom. The one who is blessed amongst men. Whatever thing they are planning to send to me, we go back with them. Because I am not going anywhere until my ancestors call me.
Ebube dike.
Don't we accord it?
Nukumo. Agbara tosie ogu. Dimoma.
You see, when the stick wants to bend, nothing will stop it from bending. No matter the force that is stopping it, it must bend when the time comes.
Otu akodi.
Otu
akodi.
But
But honestly speaking, my king, I don't understand that man. There's something ill about him.
Woman, you have to be very careful. Be very careful with the kind of things you say about the Ezemo. He is still the eye of the gods. Don't bring calamity upon this kingdom and upon this family with the things you say with your mouth. Don't.
I am not speaking ill of him, my king. But there's something wrong with that man. I am sure about it.
You know, I think we are done with this meeting, please. You have already made your point, and I have understood where you are coming from. I know your stand now. Can I be left alone?
I heard what you said, my king. But please think of
Ebenator, 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 Ebenator,
Thank God, the noble man of my land. To what do I owe this visit?
Your Highness, because I have chosen to give the royal home some food items, I do not mean any harm. I just want everybody to be fine and enjoy from the little I make from my farm. So please, Your Highness, accept my little gift.
That's very thoughtful of you. Thank you very much for thinking it wise to present this to your king. But you shouldn't have bothered yourself. You should have given this to the villagers because you know that I have more than enough that I even give out to the people. But because it is coming from your heart, I will accept. And then I will make it part of the things I distribute to our villagers. They will be delighted. You are a noble man, like I said already, and the gods of this land will continue to bless you.
You see, Your Highness, I do everything to see people happy. Yes. I want everybody to be happy in this kingdom. I don't want to see anybody cry. This kingdom belongs to us, and we must protect it with our last blood and make sure nobody dies of hunger.
Nobody will die. Guards, take these things that he has brought, make it available, put it together in the hut where we store the things we distribute to our people. Yeah?
Yes, sir.
Do that right away. Yeah? Ikenga, I am looking forward to the day that I will come to your hut. So that we can eat together. I am convinced from the deepest part of my heart you are a noble man who is eminently qualified to eat and dine with the king. Yeah?
Your Highness. Azamwa,
Kenga.
all the items in front of your hut belongs to you. I want you to always be comfortable. Apart from being the eye of the gods, you're also a special being and needs to be treated differently.
Ikenga, you are the true son of the soil. I will support you in everything you do. I swear by my offer. Ask whatever you want. It must be granted. You have saved this land from hunger. So make a request. It must be granted. Ikenga.
Ezemo, I want to be king of this kingdom.
King.
Ebenato,
This one was smiling. How the trap catch the grasshopper? Or the grasshopper catch the trap? Which one?
Listen to me. This kingdom will soon be mine. So speak less.
Igwe. Igwe you. Oh, twa. Ekuru kane me na. Ekweme.
Hola.
Ebenato.
Good care of him. Onesom ko je potalu mmiri. Oh, ko salum akwa.
Obielu ga aka one or two plates.
Obielu waka. Iba even lady. Oh! Wow, that's it. Igwe. Ijebego. Ijebego. Oh.
Enjoy yourself, my
wow, that's it. Hey.
Ebenato.
I invited the Ezemo to give me information on what happened. And he said the shot was a mistake. That it actually came from a hunter. A hunter who was aiming somewhere else and cannot explain how the gun finally diverted towards my direction and the bullet actually hitting my side. That's what the SMO said.
My king, I pray that the kingdom should be safe for all of us.
It will.
For so long, we have never heard that kind of a gunshot in this kingdom. We have to do something about it.
Your Highness, I also prayed to the gods for this kingdom to be peaceful. We are suffering from hunger already.
So we don't need to wake up one day and hear that our Igwe is dead.
It is not.
Aaron,
It is not going to happen.
it will never happen.
Never.
Not under my reign. I have been ruling this kingdom with significant element of peace. I have been a benevolent king who has carried everyone along.
Yes.
I have not been dictating anything to our people to warrant that level of hostility from anybody. This is indeed a trying time in this kingdom.
Yes,
But we are going to come to the end of this.
Yes.
And our land will remain in peace.
The great Ikenga, if that is your wish, it shall be granted.
Thank you, Ezemo. Ezemo, as you have chosen to stand by me, so shall I stand by you. You are the greatest.
Of course, we will enjoy at last. But one thing, we have to be tactical.
Maziobi, Ezemo is with us, so we must be successful.
Of course.
We shall be successful.
Elders, I called us for us to have a discussion concerning our Igweke festival that is around the corner. I want everyone in this kingdom to contribute towards the success of that festival so that we are going to have enough to eat and drink, but importantly, for us to have enough for our visitors from neighboring kingdoms.
My king, great king of our kingdom, there is something I want to ask.
What is it?
A message from the gods. You have to leave the throne because the gods have chosen someone else. Your chief is far from you, Jidofo. For your life and that of your family, leave the throne.
Never! Never! This is the throne of my forefathers, and I am not leaving this throne for anyone. For that to even happen, heads will roll for your own good. Leave this place.
Are you ordering me out?
I don't want to lose it, Ezemo. I said, leave this place.
Greetings, Your Highness.
Ikenga, greetings. How are you doing today?
I'm good, Your Highness. Your Highness, you are not looking bright. May I ask, what is the problem?
The problem is that something that never happened in Ebenator Kingdom has finally happened. The eye of the gods came to me and told me that the gods instructed that I have to abdicate my throne for another to sit on that same throne. I don't know how anybody may decide to look at this, but I am convinced from the innermost part of my spirit that the gods have gone crazy this time around. No, they are crazy. Very crazy. That is the only reason they can do this.
Your Highness, please, listen. You need to calm down. Everything will be settled with the gods. You are the king of this kingdom, and nobody is going to take that away from you. Maybe, just maybe, they want you to improve.
Improve on what? No, in the living history of Ebenator Kingdom, am I not the best king that ever ruled? What is it I'm not doing right? I am doing everything well. So what is the problem? No, how can the gods come up with this? How is that even possible?
Your Highness, you have to calm down, please. You must calm down. Your Highness, I have to take my leave now because I can see you are not in the good mood.
A king who is sitting on the throne should abdicate the throne so another can sit on it. What then becomes of the king? That will not happen.
Ebubedike. Nnukwu mmọnwụ. My husband, do not allow them achieve their aims. I don't know why the Ezemo changed all of a sudden. But if it is the wish of the gods, what can I do?
That is it. I don't understand what is going on. I cannot find any explanation to this. How is it that suddenly they want me to abdicate the throne for someone I don't know to sit on it? How is that even possible? And now you are saying the same thing that I fear. What if this is actually what the gods want me to do? Can I stand against it? Can I?
That is what I don't know. So many things has been happening. You were shot the other day. My husband, do not allow them take away the kingship of this kingdom from you. You need to move. You have been surrounded by enemies who pretend to be friends.
I know. Even without being told, I know. But ask me, how do I go about it? And as I sit here now, I don't know, but let me tell you. But I will find a way around it.
You need to see him. He was so depressed. He does not want to leave that throne.
Ikenga, do not worry yourself. He will. Because even the gods are not with him again. See, you are the best for our people. Because you bring them good food and make them live a better life. So you are better than him.
You can say that again, Maziobi. Anyways, you are going to be my Onowu when I become the king.
Igwe, what are friends for? I will do everything to put smiles on your face. Because the same thing you do for others. Huh? Igwe, Ikenga.
Greetings, my elders. I am so happy to have both of you here because it is not easy for you to honor my invitation.
Your Highness, we have always wanted an opportunity like this. We stand by you and we are strongly behind you in everything you do.
I know. I want to know what it will take for my coronation.
In that case, we will consult Ezemo so that he can direct us what to do. Then we'll get back to you.
That is fine.
Your death is truth. Therefore, you must leave the throne. You either leave the throne or die on the throne.
Please, he's not around. Maybe he should come later.
This is the last warning. Tell him! This is the last warning.
May the gods forbid. Ebubedikem will not die. I shall not mourn my husband at this young age. Jidofo, you will not die.
The great Ikenga. You are a very kind-hearted person. I am happy to support and stand by you. You must be the king of Ebenator Kingdom.
Ezemo, this day, I promise you, you will never lack.
Odogu! Odogu! The great king of Ebenator Kingdom.
Follow me, Ezemo.
nato, ebe 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 nato,
Why were they looking at me like that? Does it mean they have not seen a man like me before? Huh? Where will I get anybody that can direct me to this man now? Oh, thank the gods. Thank the gods, finally. I see people that look friendly a bit. Please, I am looking for a man of this kingdom, Anyafulumo, a great man of this land. Can you help me locate him?
Who are you? Because we have not seen in this kingdom.
Yes, I am actually a man from the neighboring kingdom. I am looking for Anyafulumo because my mother is very sick. And Anyafulumo is the only one that can give me the help that will revive my mother.
I'm so sorry. I don't know it has something to do with somebody's life. Is this way?
Okay.
Come. Always the thing. Can't. No, please come. Let me go.
Thank you very much.
Welcome to my kingdom, King of Ebenator.
Anyafulumo, meeting you face to face is an opportunity I have been praying for a very long time. I have heard so much about you, how it is possible that there is no problem you cannot solve. That is why I have come.
The King of Ebenator, that which you seek lives with you. All you need to do is to bring out the king in you.
I don't understand what you mean by bring out the king in me. I came here looking for you because something bothers me. How is it possible that I will just leave and that which rightfully belongs to me will be taken away from me? I need people who are supposed to be under me to remain under me. I am the king of Ebenator, like you rightfully said. I want to remain the king. And I want my subjects to remain my subjects.
The King of Ebenator. Ugwu asiri keri nne, mana obi nwoke ka ihe jiri ya.
That is why I am here. Tell me what you want me to do, and I will do it.
The only solution is Osisi Anunebe. Osisi Anunebe is the only solution.
Osisi Anunebe. How am I going to get it?
You will travel to the north. And when you get to the north, you then ask of Idejimba. He will lead you to Osisi Anunebe so that all this will be settled.
I have follow more. Thank you very much for this information. I will embark on this journey. I will be leaving now for the north, like you said.
May the gods lead you to.
If I had come mpa.
Nkete nkete ganazu n'afia nkete. Nkete nkete ganazu n'afia nkete. ugwu a siri ike rinne mana obi nwoke ka ihe ejiri ya. Go! The gods shall lead you to.
Upon the love shown to you, you stand to conspire and create evil against your own. Ebenato, 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 Ebenato.
I think this is the opportunity. I have to secure what is rightfully mine. I can't fold my hands and watch that little boy, Ikenga, take my throne away from me. But traveling to the north is a very far journey. But it is a journey that must have to be embarked on. Gods of my fathers, make it easy for me to embark on this. Idejimba. I have to set my eyes on Idejimba as soon as possible.
Ebenato, 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 Ebenato. Upon the love shown to you, you stand to conspire and create evil against your own. Ebenato, 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 Ebenato. Shall men, because of men, turn away from the pattern of the Achi and...
Ezemo, I summoned you here because I want the coronation to take place in 2 days' time. I don't have time, so I want to fix a date for it. Like I said, there is no time.
Ezemo, he's right. He's right. Do something fast. There is no time. Let us pursue the black goat when there is still daylight. Biko.
The coronation will take place in the next 4 market days. Before then, some rituals will be performed.
Eye of the gods, I want it to happen in 2 days' time. There is no time, like I said, and I hate delays.
For that to happen, you need to double the items for the ritual.
I am Ikenga, the wealthiest youth in this kingdom. I don't fear anything money can do. Eye of the gods, my slaves will bring all the necessary requirements, and they will bring it 4 times of it. I cannot wait to become the king of kings.
I will be waiting.
The great and noble king of Eminato Kingdom, I welcome you.
Thank you.
Your heart is filled with anger, vengeance, and sorrow. What bothers you, my king?
Idejimba, the great one. I want to thank you one more time for granting me audience.
You're welcome.
Like you noted, my heart is troubled. And that is because my people have turned against me. The throne of my kingdom is about to be taken by a young man named Ikenga. A young man I have supported all the days of his life. That which rightfully belongs to me is on the verge of being taken from me. That is the reason I embarked on this journey, because I seek for solution. Already I have met a man named Danya Fulumo. He was the one that mentioned your name. And he was the one that directed me on how to find you, because he said, you are the only one who can help me solve this problem.
The solution to the problem you shall get. But the task is difficult.
I know. And I am prepared. Anyafulomo already made mention of Anonwebe, saying that Anonwebe is the only thing that can solve this problem so that my throne will not be taken from me. He equally said, you are the only one who can help me fetch this Anonwebe. This is why I'm here. Guide me on how I can get Anonwebe, because I want to solve this problem once and for all.
To get the Anunwebe. And once you can lay your hands on Anunwebe, the throne is yours forever. And you shall have peace of mind. Prepare.
Can you guide me? Guide me on how to embark on this journey? And trust me, I will come right before you with the same Anunwebe.
Very well then.
SMO, the money I have here is more than enough to get all the required items we need for my coronation.
Adobonago. Akwa kuno fi nkwo ka na-ekwu. Kuno fi mekula agara mo makati were abalị ji obodo awara ọtọ kwanu nile. Aye kwuru ka na-eme. Ikenga. Your will be done.
Thank you, SMO. SMO, I'll take my leave now.
Welcome back, the great king of Emena. With you here is the Osisi Anunwebe. This will bring solution to any problem you have in your kingdom. This shows the gods were with you, and they are still with you.
Thank you for finally confirming that that which I struggled so hard to fetch is indeed the right word. Osisi Anunwebe.
It is.
I was convinced that even when I was very far away from you, that your prayers remained with me. And I thank the gods for seeing me through.
Thank you. Now, you have to be very careful. There's a lot you do not know about Anunwebe.
Okay.
Be very careful. The gods will guide you. Now go back to your kingdom and possess your throne. This will take care of whatever problems you have as regards your throne or your people. The throne is yours. Go and possess your possession. Congratulations.
Thank you very much.
The great people of Mmirioma, the SMO has summoned you to the palace for the coronation of Ikenga.
to conspire and create evil against
Akunda.
your own.
It's the king's coronation tomorrow. I can't wait. I even got new fabrics for it.
Don't tell me this is why you sent for me. Are you trying to say that you're happy about what is happening in this kingdom?
Akunda, how is anything that's happening in this kingdom my concern? My own is forward ever, backward never. In fact, what even happened?
Haven't you heard that the king is nowhere to be found? I wonder what is the fate of the queen, his wife. I pity her.
Like I said, it is none of my concern. It's none of my concern.
Probably the king ran away because he's not able to feed the villagers like Ikenga would always do.
Me, I stand for Ikenga. Please don't discourage me.
I'm out of here. My father is waiting for me.
I could wait for me now.
Oh, my kingdom.
Hey! Finally, you have sit on the throne. Igadi Kechi. Mana. Maka Echi adi agwa. Igwe, I want to ask you for something. Please continue doing good. The way you have been treating your people, please keep it up. If you never the ayemma, Igwe, yeah, dear. Oh, yeah, Balone.
Elders of Ebenator Kingdom. Like you all know, I've always been a good man. Now that I am king of Ebenator Kingdom, I will be the best king ever. I will keep providing for my people. There will be peace, harmony, joy, enjoyment in this land.
Let the merriment continue.
No.
Hello, sir.
You're here. We didn't go for Ikenga's coronation today.
And why didn't you go?
And that's because I cannot be a part of that shameful abomination going on in that palace. King Jidofo is missing and no one is saying anything about it. What they could do was to assemble in the palace to crown Ikenga the king, while the current king is alive but missing. That's so unfair.
You see why I like your son? You speak like the true son of your father. You see, that abomination going on there has never happened since the days of our forefathers. They are crowning a new Onowu as well, not just the king.
No.
So, gods of our forefathers, please do not turn your backs on us.
You see, Father, I just don't understand what is going on. I don't understand anymore.
The gods will never forget us.
I don't like what is going on in this kingdom. I don't like it.
Like what? What don't you like?
I don't like what happened. How would they coronate Ikenga? How?
Listen to me. What we did is the right thing.
Rubbish.
Because Igwe were nowhere to be found. And we cannot leave the throne just like that. Someone need to occupy it. And Ikenga is the right person to do that.
Ikenga is the right person?
Yes.
You open this your filthy mouth to say Ikenga is the right person. How is he capable? Is it by having money? Look, he has to be chosen by the gods. He has to have wisdom. Wisdom. Is that how he's going to rule this kingdom? All he knows is food and food and food.
My dear, Ikenga has been chosen. And no one can do anything about it.
Let me tell you something. He has to bring himself down. He has to be loyal. You hear me?
You say so?
Yes. It's like you don't have nothing to say. I'm going home. Ikenga is capable. Ikenga.
Osisi akwụnịka anụnụ ebe. I am so delighted that you granted me the leverage to cut you. So many men who have approached you in the past died before you, because you are that summation of all powers. Anụnụ ebe. But for you to have allowed me cut a branch of you and I'm holding it means you want me to succeed. I am going back to my land to reclaim that which has been taken from me. Whoever they are that have conspired to take it from me, whether they are men or whether they are women, even animals, all of them, as I get into that land, activate the totality of revenge. I want all of them dead. And Webe. Onye kwuchielu m iru. Onye n'ike.
Upon the love shown to you, you stand to conspire and create evil against your own. Ebenato, 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 Ebenato. Shall men, because of men, run away from the pattern of the tree and destiny? Oh no, 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 no. Ebenato, 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 Ebenato. What the people, the people, Ebenato.
What wrong have we done? What evil did we commit against the people of Ebenato? Hey!
What's going on here? What are you doing here?
Father. My husband.
What's happening?
My king. Everything has been taken away from us.
What?
Your kingship has been taken away by the people of Ebenato.
Yes, Father. Father, you need to see how they drove us like mere commoners. We lost everything.
We have not lost anything. I am the king, and it is never possible that they can take that which rightfully belongs to me. The good news is that I am back. And I am back prepared. And whatever it is that they have taken from us must be restored.
Yes, Father. Let's go.
Anya! Nam! Okompo! Why are you running and shouting? Things chasing you.
Nam, I have good news.
Yes, Nam. Can any news again be good in this kingdom?
Nam, the king is back. King Jidofo is back.
Jidofo?
Yes!
Back. King Jidofo has been missing for more than one market week now. How can you tell me he just surfaced?
Nam, he is back. I saw him with my eyes. Everyone in the village square can confirm this news. He is back.
Jidofo is back.
He's hale and hearty.
Hey! May gods of our land be praised.
He said
Jidofo is back.
Nam, I saw him with my eyes.
Let's go.
Yes.
Oh wow! Jidofo. Hey. Jidofo.
Your Majesty, the Ofala is fast approaching, and we have not done anything yet. Eh? Of course! I see.
Very fast.
Why are you running in like someone whose house is on fire?
Ezemo is dead.
Eh?
Yes, Ezemo is dead.
How dare you come into my palace to tell lies?
No, my king, I cannot lie to you. As we speak, Ezemo is lying down dead in his shrine.
Huh? Hey!
Finally, you have made it home with me. And I believe you can operate effectively from this place. Here is my private shrine, from where I consult all the forces that keep me going. I want to keep you here. And I am hoping that from here, you will do all the things I already prayed before the main tree of Mmirioma. Yeah.
Where is the Onowu? I asked you to make sure that he follows you to this place immediately. Why did you come back without him?
My king, Onowu is dead.
What? What did you just say? Onowu is what?
My king, I saw him on the ground, lying like pressing when I got to his door to call him.
Take me to his house.
Okay, my king.
What is going on? What is happening? First, it was Ezemo. And now Maziobi, my very good friend. Why are they dying one after another? Oh, is the gods fighting for Jidofo? No. No. They cannot be against me ruling the kingdom. They are not. Because I'm helping the villagers. And they are all in support of my kingship. Something is wrong somewhere. Ikenga is not afraid of anything. I must get to the root of all this.
Ebenato, 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 Ebenato.
Great Osisi Anunuebe, the time has come for you to rise with your power and assist me take that which belongs to me. They have taken my throne without mercy. I want you to rise and get it back for me without mercy. If it warrants killing, kill everybody that is standing on the way. Everybody who is part of the conspiracy to take that which belongs to me. Rise in your power and stop them. And if it warrants killing, kill all of them.
The worst has happened. This is an abomination.
Abomination indeed. This is the 4th market days that the Ikenga was crowned the king. And today he's dead. I mean, what are we going to call this?
What do we call this? Is it not obvious to you all that the gods of this land are angry at all of you? You all conspired to take that which rightfully belongs to me. My birthright was taken away from me. And you think everything will be all right? Can't you see how everybody is going down? How everything is going down? Listen, we must have to restore what has to be restored. I must have to be put in my place. Failing which, everything will begin to go down. Everything will continue to go down. And I'm giving us only 2 days. Only 2 market days for that thing to be made. Or else, everything will continue to go down in this kingdom. I don't think we want to discuss anything with anybody. You people can continue. Amen. Sit down here.
What are we going to do?
What is the next line of action?
What are we going to do? I'm going home.
I'm really tired though. I beg you, let's be going.
Even me, this thing is very, very heavy. Very heavy. I can't wait to get home and drop this thing. Now, really so far dusty. Hey, Amuche, the king is finally back, and I am happy about it.
Akuna, why is it that you don't think straight? Why?
What do you mean?
The king is back, yes. But haven't you noticed that the Ezemo died immediately he returned? Ichiobi followed suit. And now, Ikenga, the only generous man in this village, is dead too. Don't you see something is wrong somewhere?
I think they died because the gods are angry at them for taking our king's throne.
Akuna, what are you even saying? The Ezemo was the person that crowned the king.
Wait, are you trying to say that King Jidofo is responsible for their death?
Ah, I did say so. You're the one that said it.
What I just said is the verdict of the king.
My king! My king!
You shall.
My king!
Who are you? What is it, woman? How dare you barge in on the king of Ebenator in this manner? What is the problem with you?
My king!
This is Aboma, Onukube's wife.
Which Onukube are you talking about?
Onukube, the town crier. And so what?
My king! As I'm talking to you right now, my husband is very, very sick. And he might die. My king, please help me.
But that is good news. Oh, of course, it is good news. Stand up. Stand up. Guards! Go to her hut. Pick all the things that are hers in that hut and bring them back with you. Because this woman here, from today going forward, will continue to live here in the palace with me as my second wife.
Yes, Your Highness.
Mbano, my king, this is wrong, or unless you are joking. How dare you? How dare you interfere when the king is talking? I am the king of Ebenator. I am the spirit, and when I speak, mortals should be able to tremble. Shut up. Come here. Come and stand.
So nice. So nice.
My king, what are you doing? Why bring in another woman?
Hey. When did this start? No, why are you questioning the decision made by the king of Ebenator? How dare you?
But my
Hey, I don't need any bet from you. Let this be the very first and the last time you will question a decision made by the king of Ebenator. I am the king. I do what I want to do. I wouldn't want to be the one that will send you to an early grave. Don't do this again. Leave my face. What is this? You are still a wife and you are angry that I want to marry another? A king?
Mother, it has not gotten to this.
How do you expect me to cheer up when the king is no longer the man I got married to? He has changed so much. Everything about him has changed. Ever since he returned from that journey.
Mother, I understand how you feel. I really do. But you cannot continue this way. You can't. You need to calm down. Maybe he will come around.
Come around, you say?
Yes.
When? Like, when is he going to come around? When just yesterday, he brought in another woman into the palace.
Mother, but crying will not stop anything. It won't. You're rather hurting yourself. You have not eaten anything. Mother, you're hurting yourself. It's not good.
Yeah. I am not hungry. I don't want to eat anything.
Mother, I know you are hungry. You are hungry. I ordered the maid to prepare yam and opaka for you. It is ready. Please come with me so you eat.
Just see that I am not hungry. Just allow me cry out my pain.
Mother, you are hurting me and you are hurting yourself. Please.
I don't want to hurt you, so let's go. Let's go. I don't want to hurt you.
Come on, move. Move. Come on, move.
My king, have mercy on me.
Come on, move.
My king, have mercy on me.
Move it. Come on. Move it. Come on. Come on.
Are you not afraid?
Move it.
Are you not afraid?
Move it. Come on. Come on, move. Stop. Stop delaying this movement. If you don't want me to kill you before your time, move. Come on, move. Come on, move. Stop.
Have mercy on me.
Are you mad or something? Come on, move. Come on, move. Come here, move. Come on. Come on, boy. Move.
My king, something is seriously wrong. I hope everybody can see it. There is hunger and starvation everywhere. Our people are complaining. There is hunger and starvation everywhere. Even animals are not spared. My king, we have to do something about this.
Oh no. Gone are the days I allowed myself to be disturbed by things like this. Not anymore. If the people of Ebenator are starving, just like they reported to me, then they should go and work. Oh yes, they have to work for what they will eat.
My king, this is not right. It's not right. You are meant to take care of the widows and orphans in this kingdom. That is why you're made. Shut up! Shut up.
How dare you? You finally found your tongue to be speaking? When the conspiracy was very high against me, did you open your mouth? You didn't say anything at all. You kept quiet because you were part of that conspiracy. You see, for finally opening up your mouth and raising your voice against me, I am going to teach you the lesson of life. Today.
Nam, what is it? You look like one that's lost his day-old baby.
Things are no longer normal in this kingdom. We are no longer safe.
What's happened now?
The king, our king, King Jidofo, has turned to a beast. He has changed.
May the gods forbid. Nam, I don't understand. What is the problem?
You are aware he has forced some widows into marrying him. Today, before everyone, he killed Ichiojuku.
Ichiojuku is dead?
Hi.
King Jidofo killed him?
It's terrible.
This is preposterous. King Jidofo I used to know. He's a harmless man.
He was. But he's no longer harmless. He's now very harmful.
Osisi Adonuebe. I think the time has come for me to take you to my heart. Eh? You have done that which made you the Adonuebe that you are, the summation of all powers. Because of you, everything they planned to take from me, I have taken back. The position they planned to steal from me, I have taken back. I am now completely in charge of my people. My word has become law. And I am thinking, you are not supposed to be here anymore. Osisi Adonuebe. When I take you home, I know you are going to unleash double of the power you have unleashed already. Yeah?
My king! What brought the king of my land to my hut? Well, welcome, my king.
Oh no, I sent for you. And you refused to come. But finally coming in person to your hut is going to cost you something. My king, it wasn't intentional. But whatever it will cost, I can handle it.
Hold it! Let me be! Let me be!
What did he do, my king? This is what it is going to cost you. Please beat him silly. Leave him with just small lies like this.
Yes, my king.
My king, shut up.
Move it! Move it! Move it!
I don't have another.
Move it!
My king!
Move!
Please, my king!
Ebenato, 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 Ebenato,
Ebenato. What happened? Why are you crying?
My king, your daughter is dead. The princess is dead.
How is that possible?
Found her dead in her heart.
What happened? What did this happen?
We found her dead in her hut.
What? What? Why will this level of calamity befall my family? Why will my princess go the way she did? Does it mean that someone is after me or what? No, it cannot be. I have been ruling this kingdom to the very best of my ability. I have never offended anyone in a way that I can pin at anybody and say he or she is an enemy. What is going on?
My king, the prince is very, very sick and your attention is needed.
The prince?
Yes.
What happened to him?
I don't know, you have refused to open his eyes and his whole body is changing.
Oh. You are the cause of your problem.
How?
Not only did you commit the abomination of taking Josisi and Unebe to your heart, you started committing a lot of atrocities, which Osisi and Unebe abhors. Why, great king? Why?
Are you serious? What is the solution? What am I going to do to solve it?
The only solution is you have to take it back to the forest. Otherwise, you might end up losing your entire family and even your life.
Ah!
Ebenato, 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 Ebenato,
What is really happening? The princess is dead. Now the prince is not getting any better.
My sister, I don't know. Even the king is nowhere to be found.
Gods of our land, please restore peace.
Ebenato, 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 Ebenato. Upon the love shown to you, you stand to conspire and create evil against you.
Amuchi, Akuna, we are no longer safe in this kingdom. The princess is dead, and the prince is sick and can die anytime soon. Even the Igwe is nowhere to be found.
Maybe he went to look for solutions.
Solutions? He brought this upon himself and the gods are fighting him for it.
Keep quiet! Please, oh, I haven't seen you today. Amuche, I don't want to die. I'm off to where I'm going.
Akuna, wait for me now. Aku. Wait. Akuna. Akuna, wait for me now. Akuna.
Gods of my ancestors, please, I am pleading. I'm pleading that you find a way to restore things one more time. At that point in my life when it appeared as if I have lost everything, when the conspiracy becomes so pronounced against me, I resorted to using an Nwebe to restore that which has been stolen from me. I got an Nwebe and everything got restored. But in my ignorance, I started to misuse an Nwebe. And everything practically crashed off my hands. Peace eluded me in my family. Now that I finally summoned the courage to have returned an Nwebe where I picked it from, I am praying that this day will be that day that you are going to restore the peace that has eluded me. I don't want to lose everything. And I vow on my honor that if you do this for me, I am going to be a better king going forward. Gods of my fathers, gods of my ancestors, hear me this one time.
My king! My king! My king! My king! The prince is awake, my king. The prince is awake.
The prince is alive.
Yes, my king.
Gods of my fathers! Thank you. Thank you for this restoration. I have not lost everything after all. This is a new beginning. And like I said, I am going to be a better king from now going forward. Thank you.
Ebenato, 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 Upon the love shown to you, you stand to conspire and create evil against your own. Ebenato, 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 Ebenato. Shall men, because of men, turn away from the pattern of their tree and destiny? Oh no, 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 no. Ebenato, 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 Ebenato.